Hey, it's Adina here from Immigrant Finance. I'm an immigration attorney and accredited financial counselor, specialize in helping immigrants navigate the financial system, get started investing, and build wealth. So I want to talk about today the four types of intelligent investments for immigrants. If you really do want to be building financial security and peace of mind for the future. And these are the four types of investments that we see wealthy Americans prioritizing in their financial planning and strategy. So the first kind is investing in the stock market. That is the traditional way of investing we think of. The second way is in real estate, right? That's another form of investment, buying properties. The third is investing in a business through either entrepreneurship yourself, starting a business, or investing in another person's business. And the fourth is skill enhancement, personal development, education, basically investing in yourself. So all these type of investments are considered investments because they have the possibility of growing and having a larger return than what you initially had putting into it. And with the last one in particular, investing in yourself, this type of investment tends to have a 10x return. You tend to see the return of that kind of investment tenfold if it is a smart strategic investment in your education and your knowledge. It's something that's going to help you get where you want to get faster because you're basically collapsing time and getting access to the information that could have otherwise taken you like 10 years to figure out. So if that's something that you want to be able to have in terms of financial information and education, that's exactly what we help with is helping you catch up and learn all of the financial information you need to know to be building wealth in the US, to be investing in the stock market as an immigrant. You can learn more and join us over at immigrantfinanceschool.com. Thank you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.